Here's a simple smoky eye look. Now, usually I would suggest starting with the eye and doing the foundation afterwards, but I forgot because I was in a hurry. So this is the Naked 2 palette. Choose a light shade to go over the entire lid up to your socket line. Then the darker shade goes into your socket line just below the apex of your brow. Now, it doesn't have to be too neat because you're going to blend it later. I use an angle brush then to use that same dark shadow underneath my lower lash line, doing a slightly darker at the outer edges. Now choose a mid-tone shimmer and put it over the entire lid, blending softly to the darker shadow that you have in the socket line. Now, it's just a case of blend, 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 basically, as you soften the lines so that there are no hard edges. And then you can go in with a lighter shadow on the brow bone, again, to blend all the shadows together. So it's really simple. It's not super technical, but you do get a really nice result. I'm going to add some lashes. I have done a separate tutorial on how to do that. You like to pinch them together and use a mascara to blend the falsies with your own lashes. This is Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I really like the rubbery brush because you can really push it into the lashes. Notice how much mascara I'm getting onto my lashes. This really frames the smoky eye and makes more of an impact. And a dark nude lipstick, and we're good to go.